Hey everyone, and welcome to Boss Advisory. Today we're going to learn about making money work for you. How money generates income. No matter how hard you work, you cannot become wealthy by exchanging your time for money. A day can only have so many hours, and regrettably, you won't be paid for the time you spend relaxing, sleeping, or engaging in other activities. What if there was a simpler way to achieve wealth? How would you like your money to work for you? What if it turned out to be the ideal employer? It doesn't require rest periods or pay. As a result, it works tirelessly throughout the year to increase your income. Fortunately, there are numerous methods to put your money to work for you and generate income. Your dedicated dollars also keep working ceaselessly while you put in your 40 hours of labor each week. So in today's video, we'll outline 6 different strategies to make money. Give this video a big thumbs up and let us know in the comments below what kind of video or subject you'd like us to do next. Let's get started. Number 1. Savings account with a high yield. Before directing your money army toward a more lucrative but riskier endeavor, a high-return savings account can act as a secure base. FDIC-insured high-yield savings accounts often pay 20 to 25 times more than conventional savings accounts. As a result, as it waits to be assigned to additional tasks, your money might earn more cash. Keeping $10,000 in a high-yield savings account with a 2% annual percentage yield will produce $200 in a year, assuming you are unsure of the best approach to make money with it. Although it's not much money, it's better than leaving it in a conventional savings or checking account, which only pays 0.1% per year. Every financial planner will tell you this, of course. Before using the extra money to increase your income, it's a good idea to have it at least 6 months worth of living expense set aside, as well as some cash that is simple to get to in case of an emergency. You have better emergency money stored in a high-interest savings account that is simple to access. You can quickly start a high-yield savings account where you already bank when the need arises. However, the best rates are often found through online banks. By reducing the number of physical locations, they can lower their costs. They can charge their clients higher prices as a result of this cost efficiency. Number 2. Retirement accounts. The second most significant retirement accounts are 401ks and IRAs. Your savings are placed in these investment accounts with the expectation of exponential growth. An employer-sponsored retirement account is known as a 401k. It works best for those who lack the self-discipline to save money on their own, because the money is deducted directly from their paycheck. Pre-tax money is invested through the 401k. To maximize your 401k, start saving as soon as you can after setting up your emergency fund. This means that your taxable income for that year will be lower. The next goal is to maximize the 401k tax efficiency and get your money into the market so that it can start earning more money for you. Go for the highest amount if your employer would match your contribution so that you don't miss out on any money. Start investing in an IRA, independent retirement plan, regular IRA, or Roth IRA once your 401k has been funded to the maximum. IRAs are self-funded retirement accounts that you can open. The distinction between the two is that a traditional IRA allows either pre- or post-tax contributions. After age 59 and a half, withdrawals are taxed as current income and your money grows tax-deferred. However, with a Roth IRA, you may make after-tax contributions, see your money grow tax-free, and take tax and penalty-free withdrawals after you reach the age of 59 and a half. The 401ks and IRAs aren't the only option for retirement savings. Simple IRA plans, employee savings, incentive, and match programs are some more lesser-known alternatives to take into account. Plans already in place, a streamlined employee pension, payroll deductions, IRAs, profit-sharing plans, and a health savings account for PSPS members. This money from retirement savings are often placed in financial instruments like bonds, equities, mutual funds, CDs, and ETFs. Whichever retirement plan you select, make sure to increase your savings. Starting early makes sense since it enables you to take advantage of compound interest, reinvest, and grow your money. It's basically a snowball effect that increases your wealth exponentially. So starting on your 20th birthday, you make a single investment of $20,000 and it grows a cautious 5% per year until you retire at 65. Number 3. Stock market. The stock market will compound your initial investment to around $90,000. When you have established the maximum contribution allowed to your retirement plans, you should think about making stock market investments if you desire that your money generate income for you. Avoid timing the market or day trading stocks to profit from the market's favorable movements though. A long-term investing plan, commonly referred to as buy and hold strategy, is better for you. This is a conservative method to investing in which you purchase a security and hold onto it for a long time, like a stock, mutual fund, bond, EFT, etc. In this manner, the investment is shielded against transient market swings. If you're a long-term investor, you'll keep onto your holdings in the expectation that the industry you invested in will have experienced significant growth in the future, and the expectation that your investment will have generated a respectable return over the course of the next 10 years or more. You ride out any new developments that occurred during this time. The variation ought to level off, resulting in a gain overall. Assume a 10% annual return on average. Even better, a $10,000 investment would return $25,937 after 10 years. Your portfolio's investment will increase to a staggering $105,624 in the same time frame if you add $5,000 a year later. Let's say you lack the time and expertise to manage your portfolio. Personally, I think that's the case now with Robo. This can automate your portfolio of investments. Robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment will build a custom portfolio based on your objectives, risk tolerance, and other preferences using cutting-edge algorithms. To reduce your risk, they will provide you with a diversified portfolio comprised to several funds. There are additional ways to invest your money in the stock market to increase your wealth. Include target date funds, real estate investment funds, individual stocks, and index funds. Number 4. Real estate. One of our fundamental necessities is housing, and demand for it never goes away. So investing in real estate is a terrific strategy to get it and make more money for yourself. Either residential or commercial real estate is an option for investment. When you invest in real estate, you can profit from both appreciation and rental income as a result of the property's rising value over time. And when you make an investment in real estate, you make money by selling. Keep in mind that property value increases quickly and are influenced by locational improvements and development. The most important component in the appraisal of a residential property is location. A neighborhood's value increases significantly when amenities like transit, route, shopping malls, schools, and recreation centers are built up around it. Rental revenue is the second way you can profit from real estate. Rent is the regular monthly payment made by your tenants, and both residential and commercial properties fall under this. Let's look at some practical methods you can start making money with real estate. Flipping involves purchasing a property, making improvements to it quickly, and then reselling it in order to profit. You should be able to quickly ascertain the underlying costs associated with bringing a property up to the necessary level and its potential value. You should also have an eye for good properties. In a buy and hold scenario, you choose a residential or commercial property and rent it out. You should also be able to fix them up yourself or engage a remodeling company. You have the choice of managing the property yourself or hiring a management company to relieve you of the stress associated with being a landlord. Rentals for holidays, short-term housing, or room rentals are a viable source of income. By catering to travelers, businesses like Airbnb have made it simple for homeowners and real estate investors to profit from this. This is particularly beneficial. If your house is near a popular tourist area, there is a considerable demand for these arrangements. Real estate crowdfunding is popular among tourists who would rather not stay in hotels. Those with limited access to capital are especially well suited for this approach of investing in real estate. It costs a lot of money to invest in real estate traditionally. As a result, it has become the exclusive domain of the wealthy and those with financial access. However, crowdsourcing real estate ventures have been increasingly popular recently. It entails the process of combining resources to make real estate investments. The best part is that you can start with as little as $100 thanks to the several real estate crowdfunding platforms that allow you to purchase high-end real estate with only a few taps on your smartphone. Number 5. Business. Starting your own business can bring in a ton of cash. Although not without risk, investing in a company may be quite profitable. By investing your money in someone else's firm, you can be a silent partner if you can't handle the stress of starting a new endeavor. Although you won't be able to influence how the firm is operated on a day-to-day basis. If everything goes according to plan, you will be able to easily partake in its earnings. Number 6. Self-improvement. Increase your value by spending time and money on developing your marketable abilities, as this is another approach to make money work for you. And you will quickly begin to realize the financial benefits. Look for credentials and degrees that will help you advance your career and command a good salary. You don't even need to spend 4 years at an Ivy League university or pay a lot of money to do it. Numerous online courses give you the chance to advance your education for a fair price and earn certifications in your interest fields. So to sum it up, if you know how to use your money, it may make money for you, right? All of the aforementioned advice falls under the category of passive income, or earning money without putting much effort. The wonderful thing about passive income is that after you set it up, you can keep making money even while you're sleeping. However, they all need a considerable time and money commitment up front. There are other passive income sources available, therefore the list is not all-inclusive. The fact that you now understand how to make money is what matters most. So choose one and go for it. Today, we all really aim to become millionaires ourselves. So here's one of the millennial ways that allows you to make profitable money online right from the comfort of your own home. And as a matter of fact, you can take it with you anywhere you go. If that interests you, make sure to click the first link down below to find out. Thank you guys so much for watching Boss Advisory, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and hit the bell so you get notified on every new incredible content we make for you. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next one.